Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the exact switch model and current firmware version because a mismatch bricks devices. Once done, download the vendor firmware binary plus its checksum to a secure PC. You'll need both. Make sure you have console access and a saved configuration backup. This avoids surprises if rollback is required. Also verify stable power or a UPS. Firmware interrupts during power loss will corrupt flash. Now, connect via console and SCP or TFTP depending on vendor instructions, and prepare to transfer the file. You transfer the firmware binary using SCP or TFTP to the switch's staging area, and you must run the integrity check, MD5 or SHA, before doing anything else. If the checksum does not match, abort and re-download. Corrupt images will fail and can brick hardware. Once verified, stage the image into the inactive partition or designated flash location per vendor guidance, because staging prevents immediate service impact. Make sure to note the boot variables and available free flash space, then set the new image as the boot candidate. You now change the boot variable to the new image and reload the switch, watching the console for boot time errors and module initialization. Early indicators tell you if something went wrong. Once booted, validate routing, VLAN, ACL, and management access, run smoke tests, and compare running config to the backup. If services fail, use the console to interrupt boot, switch back to the previous image, and restore the saved configuration. If reflash is required, follow vendor recovery steps. Console recovery is your primary troubleshooting lifeline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.